Hello friends, this is tutorial number 75 in these Java programming language tutorials. In this tutorial we're gonna talk about inheritance. And first let me close these classes and we will need another package. It will be package app09 and let's create a class. The name of the class will be vehicle. Okay, this simple class we will have a couple of fields. Private, string, model. First will be brand, private, string, model. We will also have private, string, color. We will have a private int performance, and we will have private string the number of the chassis. Okay, and now we need to create getters and setters. Let's generate them. Okay, we'll simply select all. But we forgot, we need a constructor. Okay, let's create a constructor, but constructor using fields as always. Okay, we have our constructor. Let's separate a little from getters and setters, and we will generate two strings. Okay, here is our class. Control Shift and F, Control Save. Okay, we have a class of vehicle with 5 fields. And now we want to create, but as you can see, vehicle, it can be motorcycle, bus, truck, car. Let's create a class that will extend this class of vehicle. Okay, let's create it. It will be class, and the name of the class will be truck. Okay, finish. And we want to this field to extend this class. Okay, how are we gonna do that? We will simply write extends vehicle. Okay, and now we need a couple of fields to extend this fields to extend. It will be, for example, private int. It can be payload. And also we can have private int number of wheels. Okay, and now we need to generate a constructor, but we will not use constructor using fields because we have a superclass. Vehicle is a superclass of truck. We will generate constructor from superclass, and we'll simply generate them. Okay, let me separate this a little. As you can see, now in the constructor we have a brand, model, color, performance, and the number of the chassis. but we also need to extend it. They are all separate with comma. And let me first copy this, copy, and okay, here it's a string, the number of the chassis, it finishes here, but we need another comma, and we need to copy, to paste payload field, and also we need another comma, and we have another field, it is a number of wheels. We'll copy it and we will paste them, one space, and we will paste them here. Okay, that's good. And now here we need to write this dot payload, it's equal to payload. Okay, and this dot number of wheels equal to number of wheels. Okay, and that is our constructor for the truck class. Now we also will need to generate getters and setters. Okay, it will be only these two fields that we created in the truck class. Okay, and we will generate toString, but also we will use fields that from the superclass. And but to start with them, first we need to move this up, because we want to first write the brand, model, and after that we want to write payload and number of wheels. If we if inherited method stays down, first we will have payload, then we will have number of wheels, and then we will have a brand and the model. Okay, but let me see what we have here. We will use brand, model, color, performance, and number of chassis. It should be enough. We don't need to use this. Okay, and let me generate this. We will see how it looks. But okay, the thing that I don't like here, but it is easier than to type manually. As you can see, we have a get brand and get model. It will simply better to delete these brackets and delete this get. But it is easier than to type everything manually. Okay, and brackets. We have get color. We will simply delete this get and these brackets, and also we will this get performance, we will delete get, we will delete performance, and get number of chassis, it will only stay the number of chassis, and we will delete brackets, and for the fields that we created, it's everything okay. We will not change anything. Okay, we will simply Control Shift F and Control and save. Okay, and that's our truck class. Now we want to create another class. For example, we can create class, it can be car. Okay, and let's finish. Class of car also will extend vehicle. And let me create one field. It will be float. Float acceleration from 0 to 100. Okay, and now we need to generate constructor from the superclass vehicle. Okay, generate, and we need this acceleration together with float to copy that here. Okay, let's paste it. Okay, and we're done. And also we need this dot acceleration from 0 to 100 equal to acceleration from 0 to 100. Okay, the same thing that we did with truck. Okay, we finished our constructor. We need source, generate getters and setters, just one field. Okay, and we will generate toString. Source, generate toString. Okay, first we will go to the inherited methods. We will put them up, and let me select okay, get brand, get model, get color, get performance, and get the number of chassis. Okay, it's enough. And let me just generate this. Okay, and we have the same thing as we have in the truck case. We will delete them. Also get color and get performance. It will stay only performance, and the number of chassis will delete this get. And okay, acceleration from 0 to 100, it's okay. We will not change it. Okay, Control Shift and F, Control and save. Okay, as you can see, we created class of vehicle and created two more classes, and we extends a class of vehicle. Okay, that's the way how we can do inheritance. Okay, and in the next tutorial we will try to create and print a couple of cars and trucks. Okay, but we will do that in the next tutorial. Okay, I really hope that you like my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You have a link in the description, and see you shortly in the next tutorial.